Ooh. Oh, hey. Happy scorchingly, grossly hot Father's Day. So it is Sunday the 19th. It's Father's Day. Apparently, that's what they tell me. And additionally, they tell me that we have to like celebrate it or whatever. So we got like a steak and some like chicken sausage with mesquite smoke, roasted pepper, and Asiago, and roasted garlic. Christiana bought me a steak, so that's kind of fun. It's seriously like, I think it's like 101, 102 outside, and it's super not my favorite. But you know, trying to be out here as least as I can. But you know, it still means you have to be outside if you're doing a barbecue. Trying to wake myself up just a little bit. I had a nap this afternoon because I was exhausted from last night, and then Christiana was like, hey, it's Father's Day, you can do whatever you want. And I'm like, okay. That's kind of what's the deal for today. My dad's in Texas, so can't hang out with him today, so we're gonna, you know, just hang out with us today. Hey, happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Thanks to you as well.
I'm not a father.
Rylan. Happy Father's Day. Your matted hair. Christiana's doing some important paper file work. Important file paperwork. Rylan just woke up because she didn't sleep well last night, I guess. I think it's the heat. The heat affects everybody in our family. It'll be really nice to not have all this heat, huh? No, I'm gonna get you though. It's Father's Day. Where the heck are you going? What?
Button. You push a button.
You want me to push the button?
Yes.
What button do you want me to push? You want me to push the fan button? Make it come out more? Is that what you wanted? No? Alright. Well, these are looking pretty good. I'm not like a grill master, but you know, make it work. It's just you put stuff on the grill, right? It's just make it cook it.
Daddy, Dad.
Yeah, Rylan. What, you want me to dance?
Yeah.
Am I your favorite daddy? Am I your favorite daddy? That's not right. Is that funny? Yeah, that was a great dinner. See, this is real father's love.
No, Daddy. No, Daddy.
But what if I want to talk?
No. Daddy!
It's so weird. I was gonna try and explain our work sabbaticals. It's gonna be a little difficult with this small child. Basically what happens is every 7 weeks at the job that both Christiana and I work at Sean West, we have a mandatory paid week off. We call them small scale sabbaticals. That's because our boss, Sean McCabe, saw a lot of value in regular time off, and not just like on the weekend, not like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or just Saturday, Sunday, or whatever. So every 7 weeks, we take a full week off to recharge and to get ready for the next week and just to rest, but also to work on secondary passions. So I'm going to be working on finishing up my album this week, doing some writing and catching up on a bunch of stuff. So we're moving in 6 weeks, so that our next sabbatical will be the second week of August, and we'll have just moved. Are you so angry? Because you look angry and slightly disgruntled. but so beautiful. Right? Thumbs up for Father's Day. No? Right. Okay, I went to go lie down for a little bit, so I've got both girls and hanging out with Melody and getting Rylan a bath. Because the truth is, it's Father's Day. It's not, oh, take a break because my life is so hard day. It's, you know what? Being a dad is work. No days off. Being a father means you don't get days off. All right, buddy, it's bedtime, okay? There you go. All right, good night, baby. I love you. Well, we'll see if she actually goes to sleep. And this one, I need you not to be sleeping right now. If you sleep right now, we're not gonna sleep tonight. Hey. End of the day. Hanging out here with Melody. She seems to want to lunge around a little bit. And I am just sitting here filling out some paperwork, rendering my vlog. Probably gonna start cleaning up the house soon. So, all in all, a good Sunday. I think Rylan stuck her hand in that. That was a mistake. Really looking forward to this week, except for the temperature. And going to be doing a lot of good work. Finished mixing a song today, actually, so I'm pretty excited about that. Yeah, looking forward to what this week is going to be. So, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. And I'll see you tomorrow. Give a thumbs up. Do you know how? Nope. Oh, jeez. Okay.